Okay, hello guys. In this part, I will going to upload it wezary question of the even and odd. Okay, let me start. Which one is odd function? It is very easy question. Do you know why? Because sin x is always odd. That's it. Okay, 1 and negative 2. I have a 1 and negative 2. If it's respect to even function, what will be next point? What was the rule of the even? What was the rule? Opposite domain, isn't it? Same range. Yani opposite x value, same y value. This is my answer. Negative 1 and negative 2. C is correct option. Which of the following even function? Even. Guys, let me find. Sine is odd. Look, cosine is even, but when you multiply by odd, it will be odd. X is odd, isn't it? Third power. This one is odd, but sine square. Sine is odd function, and which is negative. But if I take the second power of the negative, it will be positive, which is even. C. Okay, question number 6. Which of the following function is even? Directly cosine x, because cosine is even. Okay, let me scroll up. Negative 3 and 4, it say that which one is odd function. For odd, opposite x, opposite y, isn't it? 3 and negative 4. My answer. Which of the following it is not odd function? Not odd. It means it should be even or neither. So odd by odd, odd. Cosine is even, x is odd, odd times even, it will be odd, isn't it? Cancel. Look at here, x power of 3 is odd, number is even. If I add them, it will be neither, isn't it? Answer. Yes. Next question. Which of the following is respect to origin? Origin means odd. Okay, look at the up part. Even divided by odd, it will be odd. This is true. This is odd because even by odd, odd. But even by even. Odd, even by odd, it will be odd. Now, you say that x-intercept negative 1 and positive 1. What I say that, guys? Which one, if I have here negative sign, it is my answer, isn't it? Look, because x squared minus 1 over x power of 3, if is equal to 0, cross product is equal to 0, isn't it? X equal to what? Positive negative 1 as an x-intercept, so which means B. Which of the following is odd function? Okay. Look at here, inside is odd, isn't it? But outside will be even. Eliminated. Sine square is always even function, guys. There's no problem. Sine x is odd. But if I have a sine square x, it is even. Okay, 2x is odd. X squared plus 1 is even. Odd divided by even, it is what? Odd, isn't it? Answer. That's it. Which of the following function is respect to y-axis? Okay. Yani which is even. Guys, when you look at here, this part is x plus odd plus even, it's neither, isn't it? Eliminated. X is odd, cosine is even, odd times even is odd, cancel. X is odd, sine is odd times odd, always even. Do you know? Negative times negative will be positive. Okay, let me scroll down or up. Again, which of the following functions symmetric respect to origin and has 2x intercept? I think this one we solved in the classroom. Origin means odd. Okay, I have to look for odd one. This is odd, but the sign is positive. Cancel. This is even by even. This is even by even. But when you look at here, up is even, down is odd, isn't it? So it means that this is odd. But for y-intercept, x squared minus 4 equal to 0. X is equal to positive negative 2 when I move other side. So C is correct option. Which of the following is y-axis? And even. Okay, sine x, it is odd. X is odd. Odd times odd, directly even. Because negative times negative will be positive. Okay, next example, let me change the color. Which one is even? Okay, look at it. Is it inside absolute value is odd, isn't it? But as a result, will be even, isn't it? If I bring outside. That's it. Answer. Okay, next example. Which of the following, let me use this one, this is better. Which of the following is true for the function of this one? Guys, when you look at here, it is my function odd. What's the result of this one? Odd. What's the definition of the odd? B, isn't it? Because we solved this one in the classroom. Okay, now, it says that f of x equal to x squared is even, absolute value of the x even, by number, even. As a result, even, isn't it? F of x, if is equal to even, what is f of negative x? Of course, it must be even, isn't it? Because this is the definition of the even. So, which of the following option is same as this one? D, isn't it? D is correct answer. Which of the following is respect to origin? Okay, origin, it means odd. X is odd. Cosine is even. Odd times even, directly odd. You see? It's a one step. Which of the following is even function? Guys, every number is even, because every number is even. 1, -1 and 2 is a point on the graph of the even function. Then which of the following also point on the same graph? -1 and 2. Okay, if it's even function, what will be? 1 and opposite x, same range. Which one we have a 1 and 2? A. Which of the following is even function? Guys, for this type of the example, what I say, when you have a something like this, x and y are together, always look at the x value. If it's x value power, if it's even, it means that function is even. Let me check. I'm right, yes. 17 is B. Okay. Now, another one. Which of the following satisfy the condition? When you look at here, this is definition of the which function, guys? Odd, isn't it? If it's odd, it means that my function should be odd. This is even by even, can't be. Inside, if it's odd, outside will be even, can't be. When you look at here, 1 and x, even and odd are together, isn't it? If it's even and odd are together, it means that neither, not odd. But look at here, up is even, down is odd. As a result, odd. D is correct option. Okay, which of the following it's not even? Yani which means it should be neither or odd, isn't it? Now, here we are. Tangent x is odd. X is odd. Odd times odd, even, isn't it? A is eliminated. 3 is even. Absolute value is even by even. X squared is even. X is odd. Number is even, are together, isn't it? It should be neither. So, which means D is correct option. Which of the following it is a odd function? Okay. Absolute value of the x is even by number, even. X power of 4 is even by number, even by even. X power of 3, guys, it is odd. Sin x is odd times odd, positive, isn't it? Which is even. D is correct option. Which of the following it says even function? Okay, tangent x directly, guys, is odd. X is odd, cosine is even. Odd times even, it is odd, isn't it? Cancel. 3 is number, even. X squared is even divided by even. Okay, which of the following it is respect to y-axis? So which is even? I have to look for what, guys? For even. I think it's easy. If I have x and y together, which one x is? If I have a second power of, which is x is even, yani power is even number, answer. That's it. Without checking the others. Look, this one is not. Which of the following it is respect to y-axis, which means even function? Can I extend it? I have to extend, isn't it? 4x squared minus 10x, sorry, minus 20x plus 25 plus 20x. 20x negative positive are cancelled. 4x squared plus 25 even. A is correct option. Yes, I am scrolling down. Guys, if f is an odd function, which of the following true? If it's a f odd function. Guys, if it's a f odd function, when you look at here, A is answered. Do you know why? Because if it's this one equal, also will be true. I have a two definition of the odd function. F of x equal to negative f of x, or negative f of x equal to f of negative x. One of them, if I have in option, it is answer. This is derivative, it is wrong. This one, it's not equal, it is wrong. Look, this one is look like okay, isn't it? But when I move other side, here we have a tricky. F of x equal to f of negative x. It's become definition of the what, guys? Even, isn't it? Yes. Okay, next example. Which of the following is respect to y-axis? Okay. Yani even. What is the meaning of x power of 1 over 2? Root x, isn't it? Look at here. Inside root can be odd. Neither, isn't it? Eliminated. This is x power of 3 over 2. Yani inside over outside. Because inside power over outside. X power of 3 is odd. Is it second power of the root? Is it possible odd? Yes. But it is odd. Sorry. Inside is odd, which means not possible. Do you know why? Because second power, it will be what, guys? It will be neither. When you look at x power of 1 over 3, which is x1 root power. Guys, look at here. This one is odd, isn't it? Third power of the odd, it is odd. But I am looking for what? For even. Cancel. But can you look at the d? X squared, third power. Inside f is even. Can I say the outside also even? Because it doesn't matter, isn't it? If it's inside even, outside is even. D is correct option. Which of the following is verifying the condition? It says that f of negative x not equal to negative f of x. Do you know what's the meaning of this one? It means if it's equal, it will be odd, isn't it? But if it's not equal, it means that I have to look for odd, for even, for neither. Okay? For even, for odd, for neither. Look at here. This one up part is even and odd together, isn't it? Which is neither. Yes, possible. X squared even, sin x is odd. Even and odd are together, it will be neither. Yes, also this one possible. Cosine 2x, is it cosine 2x even? Yes. Yani those three of them, it will be my answer. If I have an odd, okay, if I have an even, if I have a neither, three of them, it will be my answer. He said that all of them, yes, all of them is correct option. Which of the following functions symmetry about the origin? Okay, about the origin, which is odd, and respect to it is written respect to x-axis. I guess it should be respect to or origin. Intercept x-axis. Sorry, one x intercept. Okay, guys, here just can you change this x to the 2? Okay, this one should be 2. Yeah, which means x3 plus x over x squared plus 2. Okay, I have to first look for odd function. Up is even. Okay, up is even, down is odd, which means odd. Up is odd, down is even. This one, yes. Look at it. Up is odd, down is even, which means up is odd, down is even, it's odd. But it says that 1x intercept. This one even not. So 1x intercept means, look here guys, let me check the B. x squared minus 1 over x equal to 0. Can I do cross product? Yes. X squared minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to positive negative 1. How many x-intercept we have? 2. But it say that 1, eliminated. Let me check D. X power of 3 minus x over x squared plus 1 equal to 0. X squared minus x equal to what, guys? 0. In x parentheses, can I say that x squared minus 1 equal to 0? Here, even we have a 3, guys. X equal to 0, x equal to positive negative 1. So here we have a 3, not even 1. So D is eliminated. Why C is, we have only 1. Let me just a little here, make it small. Okay, or red. Now, look at the C. I will just write the number C's here. Why? X power of 3 plus x over x squared plus 2 equal to 0. Do cross product. X squared plus x if is equal to 0. Can I get in x parentheses? Isn't it? In x parentheses, it will be x times x squared plus 1. Here, which is x equal to 0, or x squared plus 1 equal to 0. X squared, is it possible negative 1? No. It means that no solution. Only how many we have? 1, which is x equal to 0. This is the answer. Okay, guys. I hope it is useful. We finished wezary question of the even and odd function. See you in the next video.